Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about types of inheritance in Java, part of programming in Java course. In Java, there are several types of inheritance. Single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multiple inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. Single inheritance. A class inherits properties and methods from a single superclass. And here is an example. In this example, the class dog inherits from the class animal and can access the eat method of the superclass. Multi-level inheritance. This is a type of inheritance where a subclass inherits from a superclass and then another subclass inherits from that subclass. In this example, the class bullet bike inherits from the class bike, which in turn inherits from the class vehicle and can access the run method of the superclass and change gear method of its superclass. Hierarchical inheritance. This type of inheritance is where one class serves as a superclass for more than one subclass. In this example, the class shape serves as a superclass of both circle and square classes, and both classes can access the draw method of the superclass. Multiple inheritance. This is a type of inheritance where a class inherits properties and methods from multiple classes. Java does not support multiple inheritance directly, but it can be achieved using interfaces. In this example, the class square implements the shape and color interfaces and can access the methods of both interfaces. Hybrid inheritance. This type of inheritance is a combination of more than one type of inheritance. For example, a combination of single and multiple inheritance. In this example, the class car inherits from the class vehicle and implements the color interface and can access the run method of the superclass and the fill method of the interface. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.